Hello, guten Tag. I am Muralidas, an engineering professional with over 30 years experience in the field of steel foundry. I am embarked on a journey to learn the German language to enhance communication with European customers. I discovered Henry Hammonds online and enrolled in their German language program with experienced trainer. I am thrilled to share that I have successfully completed the A1 level. In the training sessions at Henry Hammond are highly interactive and incredibly easy to follow. As a working professional, the flexibility in the course training has been a great convenience for me. Thank you, Henry Hammonds, for providing seamless and effective learning experience. Looking forward to continue progress in mastering in the German language.